Welcome to the land of Mustachio, where doctors are happy again.
Ah, buongiorno. It is I, Dr. Mustachio. In my life, patients are most important. With PMD, I now have more time for these. Scusa, I have a new patient now. I tell you story about the old ways, yes? Before PMD, we used paper system. This system is not so good. All of the patient charges on papers. Papers, a mess. No more. PMD give me every patient right to my fingertips. All the system, it only give a cut to my fingertips. You like that? It's good? Mangia. My mountain of papers gone. Signor Goat, you may stay. PMD makes it easy to locate billing code and capture charges for the practice pronto. I have more time with my patient, and office communication is, piece of pie.
Dr. Mustachio.
Oh, my colleague.
You have a new patient.
I already see her. I make the note for you. See there?
You don't waste any time, do you?
The cafeteria has a new cappuccino machine, yes? We meet there after these rounds, no? With PMD, the world is looking much brighter every day. Now, where is that goat?
PMD makes doctors happy. And goats, too.